Hello, my sparkles of light. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different as far as bringing in some lifestyle today. A while back was my birthday and my husband got me this Vanity, which came in about maybe a couple weeks ago. And I was gonna do a video assembling it for you, but I was like, I don't want to bore them, I don't want to make a boring video. I'm trying to improve my videos, Anyway, I did want to share with you the Vanity and also do ASMR style of me putting the glass on, cleaning the glass, and placing my items on it that I got from Hobby Lobby, which they have really cute things for vanities. Little pearls to put inside. I found some iridescent marbles, imitation pearls. Oh my god, these are so, I think I like this. I love the marbles. Things I got I think will be cute gift ideas as well. I've already put it together pretty much, but let me know if you like that kind of thing. Comment that down below if you do like how to with assembling things, because I love doing that. And I just thought that that would be so relaxing for a video. So let's begin. Let me get the glass. I have it down here. I'm trying to figure. Also, don't look at my hair too much. Look at all this new growth. Look at all this fuzz here. These are about to come out tonight and you won't see these pink braids anymore. I actually took some braids out already in the back. They were like hanging on for dear life. I did it on both sides here. So anyway, this glass feels pretty heavy and pretty sturdy. Alright, so now that I have the glass on, I got these lights, crescent moon curtain lights from Hobby Lobby. Oh, it's getting hot in here. It's super cool outside today. It's what, maybe like 53 degrees outside today. So I had on this thermal. It's from Forever 21. It's so comfortable. I also wanted to show you guys off of Doll's Kill. Isn't this so cute? These clouds, it's like a little cloud chain for the air sign. So I thought that was cute. So I just had to share that. I just had to share that cuteness with you. All right, so. How are you guys today too? Little crescent moons. I think this is super cute for like a little holiday upgrade too. All in here good. Aren't these cute? So this is a nice hard plastic. Doesn't feel all flimsy at all. So let me just move this desk out the way a bit. See these? There's a close-up of how gorgeous these are. These were the amethyst crystals. I think these amethyst lights are a perfect gift idea. These are like the real crystals on here. And these I got off of Amazon. I really love this tree here, so I want to see how the lights are going to work with the tree. You guys are so involved in my creative process right now, you have no idea. I just knew that I wanted to hang these lights, and that was the plan. Some text here. It was 3 feet across, so let's see if I got the estimated right where I put this push pin at. All right, I gotta turn on the fan. It's super hot. Hopefully that fan sound won't bother you. It's not too loud or anything, so. Whew, okay. So I have the lights up now, and I'm gonna show you guys that after it's all complete. So there's just some nice plastic glittery things that I thought would be a super cute idea for my makeup brushes, and then I'm going to set my 2 palettes in here that I use the most. So I also purchased some imitation pearls to go in here. It's like a super cloudy day today, so the sun is like going behind the clouds and then coming out and then going behind the clouds. So I hope my lighting is good for you guys. So I'm going to just put the pearls into here, and that's going to be like my little pin holder. I have these super cute pins. Aren't these cute? And I got these from Target. They have 2 different colors on them, and I love using these. So the next thing I have are these beautiful iridescent marbles. Look at these. Let me turn this down. This is going to be for my makeup brushes. These had come in my BoxyCharm. I think it was my October's. Didn't see that video, go check that one out after this one, of course. I'm looking forward to this month's BoxyCharm, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so these have been my go-to palettes from my BoxyCharm as well. And these are the palettes that I'm using daily for like everyday looks. I used it on my face today, this one. So these are my main palettes. So this is going to have my go-to lip products in here. This is a multi-stick that I'm wearing on my lips today. Let me show you the super cute stool that came with the Vanity. gorgeous stool. Sitting here with the faux fur. I think it's really pretty. I didn't want to put too much things on it and have it like super cluttered. I think the crescent moon lights came out so cute. Really nice and well with my little shelf over here. And I want you guys to stay tuned because I want to do a what's in my metaphysical box. And I'm going to still decide what I'm going to do with the amethyst fairy lights. If I'm going to hang them up in just this corner to give that corner some light, I'll probably do that. All right, so we have reached the end of this video today, and I do hope you enjoyed watching me set up my new vanity, and thanks for tuning in today. Hope you were inspired to set up your vanity and maybe have some idea of what you'd like to do for yourself, or if you'd like to gift this vanity to anybody. It's a great gift idea. Also, if you're not subscribed to me already, consider subscribing to my channel, and it does help if you give my video a thumbs up. I guess it helps with the whole algorithm thing. I'm trying to still figure all that out for my channel. Comment down below if there's any type of videos that you'd like to see from me dealing with beauty, lifestyle, and metaphysics. We'll leave the link of the vanity down in the description box for you. I love you guys so much. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye.